Okay, hello YouTube. So what we have is the Alpha network. I just bought it from Amazon. It's the AWS 1900. This was recommended for Kali Linux, as some Linux distro work better with the Alpha because they already configured it to work, because it has that chipset that can go on monitor mode. About monitoring mode is actually for network analysis and to look for suspicious activities. So that's it. It works on 2.4 gigahertz and 5 gigahertz, as you can see, and all the standards are 802.11 AC, AN, G, and B. So they all work with the Alpha network here. It has a long range, so it actually could work for like 500 meters. No, not meters. 500 feet away. So when you're on at the open, so it's kind of great if you wanna go use it and see all your neighbors. We're not gonna. I'm gonna open it. So here, when you open, you'll have a small booklet, a quick start guide, and depending on the on what you're gonna use, you're gonna follow this. For now, I see this is unfortunately only a guide for Windows, so sorry Linux. Anyway, Linux would have been a little bit harder to follow if it's not with Kali Linux, of course. As we open, we see there's the Alpha, the AWS 1900. It's super light. It looks like there's nothing inside really, just like maybe some board and some electronics inside, but really light. I really really like it. It does come with the with this small thing you can hook on it and hook it up to your PC so it doesn't fall. It's great. It comes with some 3 antennas. There we go. If I can put that out here, 3 antennas here. I'm gonna open them and then put it on the Alpha network adapter. 1, 2, so that's 3, and that's the 3rd. It will come with a USB 3. It's actually work with USB 3. I got a 4th one. Sorry, I got yeah. Okay, so there's actually 4 antennas. My bad. So we got the 4 antennas, which you can put on to the AWS 1900. It's gonna look like a big spider, as I saw in different image. It's great. I can say it's kind of big when the antenna is on, because they are extra long antennas, so they're gonna take space. And when it's currently opened, we'd like to form. You don't want it like all the way like this. You want them on different angles because of the signal. That like that, it's less going to be better. It's going to be better if you put them on different angles, because if you look at the like bands, it's gonna work really better like this. you're gonna catch more Wi-Fi network. So there's this. That would be the AWUS1900. There's also a USB 3 cable, which gonna be inserted inside the Alpha. And if I open it like this, you'll see you'll need this adapter to USB 3 here. It's gonna go in front, and just like that, you'll have the Alpha network almost ready to plug in.